First step, click on Withdraw button. Withdraw Sich to TRC20 wallet. Second step, select TRC20 and enter your wallet address. Third step, enter withdrawal amount. Fourth step, enter transaction password. Fifth step, click on Withdraw Immediately button. Withdraw Sich to Wise. First step, click on Wise. Second step, enter IBAN number of TransferWise. Third step, email of TransferWise. Fourth step, enter transaction password. Fifth step, click Save Information. Sixth step, enter withdrawal amount. Seventh step, enter transaction password. Eighth step, click on Withdraw Immediately.